Hi, this is Rose from Lupin Made, and today's tutorial shows you how to make the foundation crochet stitches. This is a very useful technique to know. But before we begin, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So we're going to start with the foundation single crochet. It's also known as the FSC. So we'll start with a slip knot and chain 2. Now we'll go into the first chain that we made. I like to go into the back loop, the bump at the back. Okay, now yarn over and then pull out a loop, yarn over again and pull out through that first loop. Now this is our chain because if we were going to be working with chains, we'll make a chain first and then we'll begin working to the chains one by one. However, in this formula, we make the chains and the stitch at the same time together. So yarn over and pull through. So we made our first single crochet. So we're just going to repeat that. We will go into the bottom 2 loops here. Okay, yarn over and pull out a loop. One thing you want to do when you are working foundation stitches is to try to make this loop a little bit loose. Don't make it too tight, because the way this foundation stitches, it's not going to be all straight. It's really stretching. So make your loop a bit loose. Okay, pull out another loop through that loop, making a chain. Now we've made our second single crochet. So I'm going to do this one more time. Into the chain that we made here, go into under the 2 loops, yarn over and pull out a loop. That's pulled out and it's a bit long. It's longer than what we have here, which is great. Yarn over, pull 1, making a chain for this single crochet stitch. Yarn over and pull out, pull through 2. So we have done 3 single crochets up here and we have 3 chains down here. So that's how to make the foundation single crochet. You just continue to repeat that until you have the number that you need for your first row. Now we're going to make the foundation half double crochet stitch, which is also known as the FHDC. We're also going to start by chaining 2. Remember, we're doing a half double crochet, so we'll yarn over and go into the first chain. Okay, we're going to make a chain for this half double crochet stitch. So yarn over and pull out 1 loop only. All right, then yarn over and pull through all the 3. Remember, we're doing a half double crochet stitch. So that is done. You want to repeat that just as we've done for the single crochet, the FSC, without yarning over in the FSC. So yarn over and then into the bottom stitch, into the bottom chain, pull out a loop. Okay, we're not done. Yarn over again, pull through 1. This one is the chain, is the base for this half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through. So like that, you just keep repeating your half double crochet stitches underneath the 2 loops. Yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over. So on and on, you just continue making all of the stitches for the half double crochet. Now we're going to do the FDC, foundation double crochet. So we will chain 3, 2 and 3. Okay, yarn over and go into the first stitch. Okay, yarn over and pull out a loop. Right, yarn over, pull through the very first loop, creating the base, the foundation for this one. yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now you'll notice that there is this gap here. In taller stitches in crochet, that is normal, there will always be gaps. So personally, when I use this stitch technique, I count this chain 3 as the first stitch, because in crochet chain 3 is equivalent to 1 double crochet. So this is 1 double crochet, so that when I'm coming back, when we're working back on the rows, this will be the last row here. We'll take this up to stand on its own. But that is me, that's my preference, right? So continue with the double crochet stitch, repeat the same, go in to the foundation chain at the bottom, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through the first loop there, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that'll just be a repetition of what we've done for here. And that is how to do the foundation double crochet. Now we're going to work the foundation treble crochet, the FTR. It is also called triple crochet. So we're going to chain 4. This time around we're going to yarn over twice and go into the first stitch. Okay, see that? Okay, yarn over twice, go into the first stitch, yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, through the very first loop, because that's the chain for this stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. You see that? What I said about the taller stitches, there will be gaps in between, and that's normal. So this chain 4 will stand as our first stitch, because in triple crochet chain 4 is equivalent to 1 triple crochet. So when we come back and work the rows, we will also work into this top chain here, into the 4th chain right here. Let's make 1 more triple crochet into the base, yarn over, pull out 1 loop, yarn over and pull out another loop from the first, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And there we have the 3rd triple crochet. I hope that you find this tutorial useful and that you begin to work with this wonderful stitch technique. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and look forward to seeing you in my next one. Thank you so much, and God bless you.